Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to activate your Wise travel card. It is the same as ordering a Wise credit card, and here's how to do it. Firstly, go to the Wise website or the app and log in to your account. Now after your account is logged in, go to the cards section in the Wise app. Select Get a Digital Card and your Wise digital card will appear instantly and can be linked to Apple Pay or Google Pay, used for online shopping or subscriptions, or protected with its own card number so your physical card number stays safe. Now in the Wise app or website, go to the Cards tab. Select Order a Debit Card and pay the one-time fee, which is $10. Enter your shipping address carefully. Delivery time is between 7 to 21 business days depending on your country. While waiting for your physical card, you can use your digital card right away, and once your physical card arrives, it activates from the Cards tab in the Wise app by entering the CVV, which is the 3-digit code, and set your PIN code directly in the app. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.